Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a special flavorful green chili mint chutney that's perfect for pakoras, fritters, dahi bhalla, bread, sandwiches, samosas, and all your favorite snacks. It's incredibly easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. So let's get started. Take a blender jar and add fresh coriander leaves, fresh mint leaves, green chilies, salt to taste, red chili powder, and a little yogurt. Blend everything until smooth. Transfer the chutney to a bowl, add a little more yogurt, and mix well. And that's it. Your delicious homemade green chili mint chutney is ready to serve. Enjoy it with pakoras, dahi bhalla, bread, sandwiches, or any snack you love. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Your feedback means a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming delicious recipes. See you in the next video.